Hi guys, let's go. Let's put massage on my face. There you are. I'm not scared to use this. You know why? Because no chemicals, to be fair. It's all natural, organic, fresh. So it's nothing to be scared. Nothing to be scared. Oh, by the way, I put some honey. With honey, yes. With honey bunny. Yeah. Put all massage. And then you have to massage to avoid. Well, I have wrinkles already, but what can you say? I'm 46 years old, you know. Oh, say I'm 46 years old. I have already wrinkles there. Mostly you have wrinkles this